Hi guys, it's Dylan here from Darts Cymru, and in this video I'm going to be talking about today's Winmau 2022 collection launch, and specifically the centerpiece of their launch, the new Blade 6 triple core carbon dartboard. There's the box, but there's the real thing. Look at it. It looks absolutely fantastic. It probably looks good on video, but I tell you what, in the flesh, it's even better. The colours, really sort of vibrant, rich colours, but the new laser cut numbering takes the board to a different level, in my opinion. Really puts a focus on the playing area. I'll go through the technologies involved with the board in a bit, especially around the bull and the 25 area. There's a lot of work being done around that section. But I really want to thank the guys at Winmau for asking me to be a partner of theirs for today's launch. It means a lot, so I'm really grateful, guys, for you sending out these products to me prior to launch. Along with the board, I'll also be reviewing the new Michael Van Gerwen Exact darts, and there they are. So I'll be reviewing the barrels, having a little throw with them on the new Blade 6. Also, really grateful to the guys at Winmau for sending me the gift box, the Blade 6 gift box. And I'll go through that in a bit more detail, do an unboxing and show you some products which have been sent by the guys. So yeah, that's it really. Let's get straight into it and have a closer look at these products. So just a quick look at the unboxing. When the box turned up and the courier handed it to me and I saw the Winmau tape, I was just like a kid at Christmas morning. Couldn't contain my excitement and couldn't wait to get into it really. So 2 boxes within the main box. That one in my hand there is the gift box from the guys at Winmau. So I'll go through that in a bit more detail. But then this is the centerpiece of today's launch, obviously the triple core carbon, the new Blade 6 board. Loads of details on the back of the packaging about the technologies involved. But then, just this short little video here of the actual unboxing of the board itself. I'll go through that in a bit more detail later as to the items that are included in the box. But the board itself, here it comes. That's your first look at the Blade 6. Let me know in the comments what you think. But the colours, look fantastic. The new laser cut numbers really, give a focus to the dartboard. So in the next part of the video, I'm going to be going into more detail in terms of the board itself and the technologies involved. New back on the board there as well, interesting. So let's take a look. Okay then, guys. So if we take a closer look at the new board, which has been launched today, the Blade 6 triple core carbon dartboard. I know you're all really interested to see the the quality, what the wiring's like, what the segments are like. So we'll take a look at that now. So this is the 6th generation board, as you can see there, the Blade 6, and this is the top of the range version, the triple core carbon dartboard. So the key selling points that Winmau are drawing attention to are the maximum critical scoring areas. The board has been engineered, for ultimate scoring potential, with maximum surface area and advanced wire evolution. If we look at the wires, ultra thin wires, like a high carbon wiring system, which really pushes the boundaries in terms of maximum scoring potential. There's a lot of focus as well on the bull and the 25 area. It's 25% thinner in terms of the width of the wires, which will really help and improve with scoring and finishing. It's also it's been hardened. The area has had an advanced heat treatment process for ultimate durability and deflection purposes. So I think you'd agree, it's a great looking board. The colours, as you'd expect from Blade and Winmau, really rich, deep colours, and I can't see this fading or wearing anytime soon. The wires then, so 60 degree angle Blade wires for higher scoring and reduced bounce outs. But the thing that really catches the eye is the laser cut steel numbers. As you can see, really sort of defined colouring, really, you know, sort of stylish look, and a real improved focus in my opinion. So there's a closer look at the board. What we also get with the board in the packaging is the Spirit Master. So, you know, you'll always have a perfectly aligned dartboard every time you play. We also get the brackets, the bracket for the back, and the rotor lock leveling system. So a unique sort of an exclusive triple wheel lock and level system that allows for a quick and solid fix to the wall. And then finally you get the booklet, which includes fitting instructions. So there's the sort of the signature Winmau players, Michael, Simon and Daryl. And then finally you also get the checkout card with little Richard Ashdown. So if we have a look at the gift box, guys, I was also provided by Winmau with. You know, as one of the partners chosen for the day, I was gifted the gift box, as well as the Blade 6 triple core carbon dartboard. And in this box are several products, you know, from the exciting 2022 range, together with a couple of unique items which, from what I understand, won't be available for general sale. So let's take a closer look at what's in the box. A really sort of sturdy, nice quality box with a magnetic strip on the front. If we flick the box open, so let's take a closer look. I really like this sort of detail, you know, real attention to detail. The colours of the branding with the Blade 6, the sort of red, grey and black. And you know, what jumps out straight away obviously are the darts. So these are the MvG design exact darts. These are the 90% tungsten version and 21.5 grams. Take a closer look inside. So there you have the barrels, the vector shafts, and the MvG prism flights. And then you also have the dart holder, which I really like as a development by Winmau since signing Michael. I was lucky enough to get one at the MvG launch night when he was announced as a Winmau player, and it's something that I use all the time, you know, when I take my darts around. If we have a look at the back, as it says there, you know, over 12 months in development, attention to detail and craftsmanship is unsurpassed, creating the most unique and customized production dart ever made. So, you know, these are the ones which were designed by Michael and the ones that he plays with. So that is a really nice gift which I will treasure. If we have a look at what else is in the box, let's have a look at these. So prism, Winmau prism flights, and as you can see there, it has the Blade 6 branding, so a standard size flight. Oops. So 100 micron extra thick core, advanced airflow dynamics, and class leading durability. So the Prism Delta Blade 6 flights, and then another set of similar flights there. So looking forward to giving them a go. What else have we got here? So we have the vector shafts. So these are Tor caliber composite, high impact polycarbonate body and aerospace aluminium tips. So the Vector Blade 6 medium in length. Nice colours to them, which will go nice with the flight, the Blade 6 flight. What else have we got here? So Blade 6 Winmau chocolate, milk chocolate bar, 90 grams. So that'll go down nicely in this house, and a really nice sort of novelty gift to remember of the launch. That's great. What have we got here? So that's a tea coaster, a coffee coaster for a cup. As you can see, the Blade 6 branding again, with little pads underneath. So again, a nice little novelty gift, just to remind me of being part of the launch as a partner. What else have we got in here? So a dart dock. Let's have a quick look. The perfect location for all your favourite darts. The Winmau Blade 6 dart dock safely secures your darts in their very own miniature Blade 6 style board. Now that's really cool. Really, really cool. I haven't seen anything like this before. So let's get it out of the box. Wow. So that's cool. So like a miniature version of the board being launched today. And you know, rather than going to sort of a box or maybe a holder that you have near your board, you know, stick your darts in there. And that's a great little holder for any set of darts. So you could probably fit numerous sets of darts in there. That's a great, again, sort of a novelty and something that will remind me of the Blade 6 launch. Okay guys, so in this part of the video we're going to take a look at the MvG Design Exact dart in a bit more detail. As you can see in this part of the video, I'm actually using the Blade 6 dart dock that was provided to me by Winmau. So a great little tool to keep near any sort of playing area where, you know, you can store your darts without any sort of damage being done to the points. Just an example there. That goes in really easily. So you can keep, you know, a load of darts on that dock. But if we look at the darts in a bit more detail, so let's start at the bottom. So you've got your standard silver point, which is a 27mm point. The barrel itself, you know, a standard sort of straight barrel dart, but this one obviously has that atomized coating, which looks really, really nice in the flesh, if I'm honest. On the end here, so you have a flat sort of bull nose, slightly tapered. I should say slightly tapered at the end there. But it's, you know, the barrel itself then, it's, you know, a classic sort of thin groove grip, as you know, as we've seen with Michael's dart in the past. So if we move up from the nose, you know, you have some tight sort of ring grouping at the start, a little bit wider then as we move up. Then, you know, the middle of the barrel, the smooth surface where you have the MvG logo. Then, you know, similar to the bottom part, tight grouping of grooves there, then a little bit wider and then a bit tighter as we get to the top, and then obviously that smooth area at the top then is where the Winmau logo is. So this version of the dart is the 90% tungsten, and these are the 21.5 gram version. As I said, you know, the dart, it's very apparent it's an MvG dart with his world famous logo there, and then, you know, the recognized brand of Winmau at the top. So yeah, with the atomized coating, with the logos, you know, it's a dart that would really stand out. And, you know, when I took them out of the box, they felt really, really good in the hand, really, really quality product. If we look at the, you know, what was supplied in the box then, so you have the short vector stems, which Michael uses. I'll be doing a demo after this part of the video, you know, throwing some of them at the new Blade 6 board. So it'll be interesting to see how they go, because I usually throw a medium length stem. So these are short, so we'll see how they go. And then, you know, a really nice looking flight. Again, the MvG design, his initials there, you know, really, really big on the flight. But then the nice colouring. And, you know, if I walked into any pub or club and I'd see somebody throwing that flight, you know, I'd be drawn to that board thinking that's a nice looking flight, and obviously the darts to go with them. So if we look at dimensions, as I said, the point is 27mm. The length of the barrel then from the nose to where the stem meets is 53mm. And then the width of the barrel at the widest point, so where you have the logos, you know, give or take a few mil, but it's about 6.46 to 6.5 mil. So that's a closer look at the dart. You know, I think you'd agree, great looking dart. With the atomized coating, I think it really stands out, and you know, makes it look different to many other darts. So in the next part of the video, I'm going to be having a throw with these new darts at the new Blade 6 triple core carbon dartboard. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so in this part of the video I'm going to be throwing the MvG Design Exact darts, the 21.5 gram version, at the new Winmau Blade 6 triple core carbon board. You know, that was the first time we've obviously seen the board actually in its setup, you know, on the wall, with the surrounding lights, and you know, it just looks absolutely fantastic. I'm sure on video it looks great, but believe you me, on, you know, actually seeing it here in the flesh, it is an amazing looking board. You know, the colors, really rich, vibrant wires, really thin wires, and this laser cut around the numbers just looks fantastic. The red surround obviously I think complements the black quite well, and the light on it then makes it look even more fantastic. So yeah, a lovely looking board. So let's give these darts a go and see how we go. Yeah, board sounds nice, sort of nice sound to it. Darts feel really nice in the hand. The short stem is a little bit different for me, as I'm used to using a medium stem, but still feels really nice in the hand. This area where I said between the logos, so between the Winmau and the MvG logo, that's probably the most grippy area where I'd hold, so my index finger and the thumb. And if we're looking at sort of grip gradings, you know, say 5 was a really good grip, I'd say that's probably about a 3, especially the way that I hold the dart. So let's continue just to see how they go. Yeah, that feels nice. Nice last dart there, 81. If we look at different areas of the board, as I said, the center, the 25 of the bull, has been quite a lot of focus in terms of the selling point of this. It's been hardened, and the wires are 25% thinner. So that wasn't a very good example there because I was nowhere near the bull, but let's try again. Yeah, the sounds a bit more, sounds hardened. A few more darts around the doubles just to have a feel of what it sounds like around there. One double out of the 3, not too bad. Yeah, it feels really nice sounding board. You know, the holes, obviously you're gonna have holes in the fresh board, but you know, they're not major holes, they kind of close up quite quickly. You know, I've only been throwing 12 or 15 darts, so it's yeah, nice. Yeah, so all in all, you know, the board looks great. No sort of negative points about the board at all. The middle area feels really sort of hardened, and you know, there's no chance of the dart falling out or any sort of deflections from what I can see. But the dart itself, really good dart. Love the grip. If I was to pick on anything, I would probably go for a medium stem myself, just because that's what I'm used to throwing. But you know, all in all, you know, a great looking dart, a fantastic looking board. You know, as any player, you're not looking for anything else really. So absolutely fantastic, no complaints at all. Hi guys, so just hopefully you've enjoyed the video, you've enjoyed the review of the board, the darts, and you know, the unboxing of all the special gifts I was sent by Winmau. Again, I can't thank the guys at Winmau enough. Really grateful for this opportunity. I should say, you know, you will have seen the launch obviously on Winmau's social media channels, but there is an amazing catalogue as well that has been sent to me as part of the gift box. You know, loads of amazing products, special edition products, part of today's launch. So head over to the Winmau website and their social media channels to have a look at all the products. But really grateful for you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed what you've seen and you like the content I'm producing, you know, give the video a like and, you know, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell and get notified every time I post something. But, you know, thank you very much for listening. Now I'm off to enjoy some chocolate and to have a little coffee and have a look through the catalogue. But thanks a lot for watching, guys, and see you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Ta-ra.